As you get older, your vision can change sooner than you think. Looks like you may be ready for a new pair of eyeglasses. Now you'll have to call the doctor, clear a spot in your calendar, and still wait weeks to see clearly again. But you've got the EyeQue VisionCheck, so you can take care of this right here, right now. With VisionCheck, you can test your eyesight without leaving home and use the results to get new glasses online. To get started, pair your VisionCheck with your smartphone. Be sure to remove your glasses or contacts before testing. Then launch the VisionCheck mobile app. Next, simply attach it to your screen. While keeping both eyes open, bring the device to your right eye. Using the touch controls on the device, move the lines closer together until they overlap to form a single yellow line. Hit the Next button and the precision optical lenses within the device rotate, capturing each meridian of your eye. Once you've completed tests on both eyes, EyeQue's powerful patented technology will process the readings and generate your eyeglass numbers. Now, without leaving home, you're ready to order your new glasses online. Select your frames and during checkout, enter your eyeglass numbers, the spherical, cylindrical, and axis figures into the prescription detail fields. And just like that, seeing clearly is only a few days away. With EyeQue, your test results are securely stored online at EyeQue.com in your personal dashboard. Like never before, you can compare your test results with previous tests, creating a vision history that can be shared with your eye doctor. Now, thanks to VisionCheck by EyeQue, you're seeing better sooner. EyeQue. Save time. Save money. See better.